Temporary Identification Number (TIN) under GST. What you need to know. You are an unregistered taxpayer, but you need to make a GST payment. Ever wondered how that works? Enter notification number 07/2025. This revolutionary update introduces the Temporary Identification Number (TIN), simplifying compliance for everyone, even those outside the GST registration net. Issued on 23rd January 2025, this notification is a game-changer in the world of GST. Its key feature? Rule 16, of which enables the creation of TINs for non-registered individuals to participate in the GST system effortlessly. This update is set to redefine tax compliance. Rule 16 is the star of this notification. It mandates the issuance of TINs to unregistered taxpayers who need to make occasional GST payments. No registration hassle, just a simple process through Form GST Reg 12. Making tax payments has never been this easy. Getting a temporary identification number is now a breeze. Unregistered taxpayers must access the GST portal and fill in Form GST Reg 12. The TIN issued allows them to pay taxes and participate in GST administration without the need for full registration. Imagine bridging the gap for those previously sidelined by GST's registration requirements. TIN provides a seamless way for everyone, from occasional businesses to one-time taxpayers, to stay compliant. It's a win-win for both taxpayers and authorities, ensuring smooth fiscal operations. The GST portal isn't the same anymore. Rule 87(4) ensures that the system is updated to accommodate the TIN seamlessly. From application to payment, the portal is now user-friendly and ready for this new functionality, making compliance more accessible. For composition taxpayers, Rule 19(1) brings amendments to Form GST CMP 02. These updates are strategic, integrating TIN-related details for better transparency and administrative efficiency. It's one more step towards simplifying GST for all taxpayers. This update isn't just about convenience, it's a step toward bolstering trust in the tax system. By increasing inclusivity in compliance, notification number 07/2025 strengthens the backbone of India's economy, creating a smoother business environment. Every groundbreaking update comes with its hurdles. Ensuring awareness, improving adoption of the TIN system, and providing guidance to taxpayers will be key. The GST authorities must focus on training programs and portal upgrades to keep this initiative on track. Notification number 07/2025 simplifies tax compliance like never before. Whether you're unregistered or a regular taxpayer, the GST ecosystem just became more accessible. With Rule 16 leading the way, this change is about inclusion and efficiency. Don't miss out on being updated. Dive deeper into how TIN can benefit you or your business. Share this video with anyone interested in GST updates and let us make compliance easier for all. Subscribe, like, and help spread the word about this revolutionary change today.